Hari Om. Welcome to Yoga with Satya. Thank you for joining. I'm Satya. I've been a student of yoga for over 45 years. At a very young age, I met my master, Sri Swami Satchidananda. The greatest part of this meeting was that instantaneously, somehow I knew that he was my guru and this was my path. That is the greatest blessing of my life. Very soon after that initial contact, I moved into his ashram. So I have spent my whole adult life living in Satchidananda Ashram. When I look back on this, I realize what a great blessing to live under the guidance and protection of your yoga teacher. I realize now this is a very unique opportunity and a rare blessing, and I am very grateful. Today, Swami Satchidananda is often referred to as the Woodstock Guru. In 1969, he gave the opening address and blessing at the famous Woodstock Music Festival. He is a disciple of the great yoga master Sri Swami Shivanandaji of Rishikesh, who founded the Divine Life Society. They both taught yoga as a complete spiritual path. Both of these yoga masters had a way of taking the highest, most profound teachings of yoga and philosophy and distilling it down into simple language and practices that we could all understand and experience. Serve, love, give, purify, meditate, realize, says Swami Shivananda. Be good, do good. Be kind, be compassionate. My Guru Dev, Swami Satchidananda, always said, just keep the body easeful, keep the mind peaceful, and you will have a useful life. That is the essence of yoga. Yoga teaches us that our true nature is peace and joy. We don't always experience this supreme happiness because of the disturbances in the body and in the mind. The sun is always shining, but sometimes the clouds block the view of the sun. In the same way, disturbances in the mind, discomfort, disease, stress in the body block or cover over that inner light that is the divine spark within each of us. It is the purpose of all yoga practices to gently remove and clear and purify these coverings so that we can experience the truth, the peace, the joy, the happiness. For this first course in Yoga with Satya, I have chosen the Restorative Yoga for Relaxation and Rejuvenation. This is a beautiful and simple antidote to stress. We are all stressed at some time or another. In restorative poses, we put the body in an asana using the support of props. This way, the body can completely relax, the breath slows down, the mind becomes calm. I look forward to meeting you and sharing with you this journey into peace. Om Shanti, Om Shanti, Om Shanti.